It's literally spitting out water. I don't know if normal plants. Did it stop? I think it stopped and then it started when I turned it back to the light.